Hi students, I am Pawan, your science master. Today I am going to talk to 7th standard students. Students, we have finished 2 lessons in science so far. First lesson is food components and second lesson is acids and bases. I hope you have learnt these 2 chapters and you are writing your notes in your fair notebook. You have to answer for these answer for the list of the questions given at the end of the chapter. Okay. Now what I want to teach you is about FA1, formative assessment. Students, in formative assessment I have designed a question paper. I have prepared a question paper like this. Formative assessment 1. Here this formative assessment 1 includes first lab activity, second project work, third written work, fourth slip test. Students, slip test. Lab activity carries 5 marks. Actually lab activity is for 10 marks, that is divided by 2 and then that carries 5 marks. Project work will also be same like this, and written work will also be same like this. Now here total 15 marks, and actually the test is for how many marks? 20 marks, right? How many marks are balanced here? 5 more marks. That is for slip test. Actually the slip test is conducted for 20 marks and divided by 4. Here that carries 5 marks. Okay students, here total how many marks here? 20 marks. Here the slip test is given for you 4 questions, 5 questions are given. 5 questions are given in the slip test. Yeah, here in the slip test 5 questions are given. Here each question carries 4 marks, total 20 marks. Total how many marks? 20 marks. 5 into 4 is equals 20 marks. Students, in the question paper you can see that 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4 and 4.5, and here 4th topic of formative assessment, question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. While you are writing answers in your formative assessment notebook, that is project book, formative assessment is written where? In project book only, right? Project book, one side rule project book, that which is about 100 pages. Okay students, formative assessment 1, that should be written in project book. Okay, and when you are writing lab activity, you should write lab activity on the ruled page, and on plain page you have to write if any diagram related to that lab activity, you have to draw that on plain page. Okay, you have to draw the diagram on plain page, and same like project work, if any table and if any other information related to this project work is there, that to be written on plain page, and the matter about this project work to be written on the ruled page. And written work, here you may have confusion here. Written work, that's about your FAIR notebook, FAIR notes, that you write the question and answers, right? That notebook, you know, you have to present only for FA1. I am asking you to present only the index page of your FAIR notebook. The index page should be with all the lesson names before only. You know, before you write all the lessons notes, you have to write all the lesson names before in index page. Okay, students, this is about that. And slip test you write in your project work. Only written work you are not going to write in your project book. 1, 2, these 3 things you are going to write in your project book, that you already know that. Next, when you are writing the slip test, the questions should be mentioned very clearly. I am not expecting you to write the questions again in the book. If you write it, okay. If you don't write it also, okay. If you write question number is enough, that's enough, that's enough. If you write the question number, that's also enough, okay. And if you are going to attempt any question, if you know very well that third question, you put 4.1 and you have to make a circle around the question number and write the answer, okay. And then if you know 4.1, put 4.1 like this and write the answer, okay students. Same like this, all other questions also same like this. So this is how you have to write your test, but I am expecting your notes handwriting is very clean, should be very clean, neat. Do not make any strikes or any scratches on cover page, inside the cover page. Do not make a front or back anywhere else in the notebook. If you make such things, you will not be given any grade, a good grade. You know, you will not get good grade if you do any mistakes like that, okay students. And this is about formative assessment information, and if you have any doubts, you just directly contact me. I will clarify your doubts, okay students. All the best.